Right, well, we've got this Rotel RVC240 which we serviced today, routine retune and test, and we'll be running on a standard replacement mic, full 4 watts output, see if Mr. Chippie's around. Tango 21 test.
Is that you?
Yeah, it helps if I've got a mic gain up.
It does. So if you plug your speaker in or whatever you're doing?
Yeah, just fiddling with it.
Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Ready now.
Roger, off we go.
10 diddly dodgy.
Right, pressing the house and recording.
Roger, and we've got a tone control on this one.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards
Bassy, not bassy. Bassy, not bassy. Roger, and that's fine, thank you. It's also got one of those silly clear normal switches. We're in normal, I don't know whether it works. That's normal, that's clear, that's normal over.
I couldn't really tell any difference at that level, to be honest.
Good. Passing Ancaster service station, 154.9 and 189.9.
You're on that?
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm going to
Rotel RVC240 CB27 of the Atlantic Profile. Standard replacement mic and ready to fit forward.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
That is.
Over. Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, you have the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, and we're now at the 5 mile point.
We're going to the 5 mile point. I'm on this Rotel RVC240 in 1981 Private Network 3/4 on a standard replacement market doing a 4/4 output for 1.2 amps. It goes to low power and it's set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we are back into full power. I'll just go to that clear normal thing. We're in normal at the moment. We're going to clear. We'll go back to normal. We'll go to clear. We'll go back to normal. Over.
No, I couldn't tell that's working. No problems, full power. Low power had to override the squelch, and you weren't really readable.
Yeah, it gets to that time of year. I'll be going. You ready?
Yeah, roger that. Right, we're now on the move again.
Not yet.
Right, we're square wheeled for the train again.
Getting like that, isn't it?
Yeah, roger that. We're behind a Toyota Pro City electric people carrier. I've never seen one of them before in this country.
Well, just got
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over. Yeah, 154.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that, that was the street, thanks very much. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rotel level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yeah, 154.9 and 189.7.
Roger on that. That worked a treat. Thanks very much. Done. Right, that worked fine. We'll go over to our base station, which of course uses the identical chassis, the Sabinet 134, and we'll go over to that Midland 76900 now.